What's up, guys? Making another quick update. So, did the undercoat on the wheel wells for the front. This one was done yesterday, last night. So I just barely finished the one on the passenger side. So now what I gotta do is take off the rear trailing arms and sand down the old undercoat for the back, the rear, and do those. And then I'm also doing the one under the gas tank. And after that, we're gonna be doing the inside too. We're gonna undercoat the whole chassis from inside. And then the engine bay, we're gonna be painting it. And I just gotta fix this right here. So I got a little plate, trying to curve it. My plan is to try to have it curved for the pulley, because we're gonna have a B swap on this engine bay. We're gonna do a B20V for the hatch. So that's my plan. After getting that fixed, we're gonna take off the booster, the master, and try to disconnect the brake lines and try and get all this prep for paint. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.